Hi there everyone, it's Alexa from Brad Dairy, and I just wanted to show you this 2016 certified Chevy Colorado that we have. It is a crew cab 4x4 and 3.6 V6. It's gonna walk around. As you see, it has the corner steps. It also has a trailer package, or a tow package, sorry. And there's inside the bed. Gonna continue to walk around. As you see in here, it has the leather seats with cloth inserts. You have a USB port right here. Gonna come along to the front. These seats are heated. You have your backup camera and many other features. If you're interested in knowing more about this Colorado, please give me a call. My number is 563-230-2131. Again, it's Alexa from Brad Dairy, and my number is 563-230-2131. Thanks, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.